ng Usbaw, number 32. Na-steal yan ng Team Bigaa. Yung number ito. Number 17. Yung number 7. Puts it in. First point sa Team Usbaw. Yan. Yan na, nagdadala si number 13. Pinasa sa kampi. Number 0 in the paint. And there's a... ano tawag rap? Ravening violation. Number 0, pinasa kay number 3 points, in and out, hindi pumasok. Number 2, ayun ang Team Bigaa, pinasa sa kalaban. Number 2, toss sa kasama, wala yan. And there's a foul, committed by who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Number 4, from the Team Bigaa. Free throw ni number 0, puts it in. 3-0 ang ating score. Ayun na, si number 24. Team Bigaa, number. Nagdadala ng bola, number 13 against number 0. Almost losing the ball, recovered by number 4 in the paint. Libre na yung nakapi. Out of bounds. And ang Team Usbaw, naghanap ng mapasahan to number 7. Binalay kay number 0. Jersey number 0 to Maranan in the paint. Spins! Power move by Maranan. Chasing Maranan, the superstar of Usbaw. Puts it in. Number 13. Bigaa. Inahara si number 0. Bigaa steal. Grab pass. Baseline shot. Number 4. Fakes. Penetrates. Number 6, number 8, in and out, hindi pa rin pumasok yan. 5-0 tayo. Platon yan, Platon tayo ha. 3 points, number 2 from the Team Usbaw. Ayun na si number 13. Double team yan, and there's a foul committed by number 7. Bigaa for the 3. Air ball. Ayan na, nice nilang si JC Marana, number 13. Flies. Puts it in. And number 0 penetrates. And a score. What a beautiful isolation made by number 0 from the Team Usbaw. Our score is 10-2 in favor of the Team Usbaw. Number 4 fakes. Pass to number 8 at the baseline. Puts it in. Team Usbaw, number 0, dribbling the ball, looking for an open man. Finds number 7 at the baseline. Penetrates. Yes, sir. And ang Team Bigaa. And a steal. Number 0 to number 7. And there's a foul committed by number 0. Time remaining 5 minutes and 31 in this first quarter. This is a battle between these two incredible teams from the youth division. Laton tayo every 5 minutes. Team Usbaw versus Team Bigaa. Number 7 at the baseline, in the line, won't go, rebound by number 0 to number 13. Bigaa, nawala ang bola, and then steal by number 0, spin, short ang tira, recovered by the Team Bigaa. Number 24 to number 4, and a steal by number 4, Ramos, to number 7, to number 4, Ramos again, to number 2, and was a traveling violation. Platon na tayo, Platon. Pero isang technical lang, Team Biga, kasi walang uniform yung isang technical. Pwede mo nang patirahin, rep. Isang technical lang, Team Biga, Team Musbaw. Team Musbaw, isang technical. Kung walang ng uniform. Dito sa kabila, pasyutin mo muna. Ngayon na technical free throw. Pumasok. And number 27. Finds number 2 for the 3. Number 22. That's number 22. Medyo malabo kasi yung numbers ng mga jersey nila. Number 1 to number 7. Ayan na si JC at the baseline spin move and a score. Our score is 58. And ang Team Biga sidestep move by number at the baseline. Rejected. Nakuha yan ng Team Musbaw. Team Musbaw na iskilan yan. Number 22 flies. Wrong ball, rebound by number 25. JC Maranan, pinasa kay number 7. At the baseline shot, one goal, rebound by number 23. Number. And losing the ball. All number 2. Number 22 to number 27. Penetrates in the paint. Finds number 14. 3 points short ang tira. Out of bounds. Dito na ating isang magiting na referee. Late comers. Number 1 to number 2. Pass to JC in the paint. Every 5 minutes tayo. Platon tayo. And who's foul run? Out of bounds lang tayo. Out of bounds. JC Maranan. JC to number 7. Puts it in.
Platon.
Every 5 minutes tayo. Platon tayo every 5 minutes. Tingnan nyo na lang yung oras. Our score is 17-8. Time remaining 2 minutes in this first quarter. Number 20, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 27. To number 14, for the 3. 3 points, number 40. Umabasa ang limang kalamangan ng Musbaw. Yan na si JC to number 22. Losing the ball. Same ball possession. Number 22 to JC Marana. Pulls the trigger at the baseline. Won't go. Recovered. JC Marana and steal to number. Wala pa rin. Alat ang Team Musbaw. Number 27. To number 20. What a beautiful assist. And a conversion by the Team Biga. Walang bola. Out of bounds yan. Bola walang Team Biga. Time remaining 1 minute, 17. 17-13 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ang Team Musbaw. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 27. Almost losing the ball. Finds number. Wala yan. Recovered. And there's a foul committed by number 1. First one won't go and the second one is good. And I see number 1 from the Team Musbaw to number 7 fakes at the baseline. Hesitates, puts it in. What a beautiful hesitation by number 7. Number 20. Number 20 to number 14. Finds number 20 in the paint. Won't go. Recovered. Flies. Puts it in. Number 27. Flawless.
Ano yun? Vape? Vape ba yun? Usok talaga.
Number 1. Burning the arc. Won't go. Rebound by Team Biga. Number 27. Two number. Number 27 at the baseline. Wala yan. Rebound ni number 2. To number 22. Forcing the offense. Recovered by JC. Spins in the paint. Finds number 7. Back to number 25. Pulls the trigger. One go. Rebound by the Team Biga. Number 27. That ends the first quarter of this game. Our score 19-16 in favor of Team Moscow.
Tapos yung ano, para hindi ka mawala sa score, lagyan mo yung cost. Halimbawa ganyan, 19. Dito sa kabila. Tapos bawa na yun. Hindi, dito yun. Yung score na 19. Okay mo 19 because of 19. Yan, dito naman. Yan. Para makakita. Pwede ka rin mag-score dyan. Score mo dito. Kasi synchronize ka.
Alright, back to the hard court. This is a battle between these two youth division, Team Moscow and Team Biga. Natun pa rin tayo every 5 minutes ng palitan. Team Biga ang inbounding na ball, number 30 to number 4. Pulls the trigger. 3 points. Deadlock tayo, 19 all. Ganda ng laban number 0. Penetrates. Finds number at the baseline. Number 22. Nawala, nakuha ng kalaban ng bola. Number 4. Number 4 hesitates, pulls, perimeter shot. Won't go, recovered by number 17. Umikot. Puts it in! In favor tayo. 21-19. Number 0 behind the back dribble. Cooking show. Won't go. And a foul committed by number 24. Pushing foul. And the first one is good. Second one is good. Maganda na ang susunod na teams maglalaro for tonight. Team MBL versus Team United Bowlers from the adult division. Number 0 pulls the trigger. 3 points. Number 8, sorry. Number 8. 3 points, number 8. From the Team Biga. Ating score 24-21. Team Moscow are down by 3. Number 31 hesitates. Finds number 0. Pulls the trigger. And a score. And one basketball by number 0. Foul number 8. Foul number 8. Number 0 will be awarded for a bonus. And it's good. Score natin, deadlock, 24-all. Ayan na, Team Biga. Behind the back dribble, number 13. Hinaharas. Finds number 4. Number 8, won't go. Rebound. Forward. Number 4, strong offense by number 4 and a score. Number 0, crossed over. Back to number 4, to number 7. Step back shot, won't go, recover, puts it in. And a home team, number 13. Number 13 hesitates. Traveling violation.
lang ako. Sikat na kasi.
Ayan ang team. Bola ng Team Musbaw. Number 0 in the paint, pulls the trigger, won't go. Rebound by the team. Biga, number 17 to number 13. Behind the back dribble, naiwan ang kalaban. Lumipad, pinasa sa number 4. Puts it in. And there's a turnover. Lane violation. Umapak siya sa line. Number 17, inbounding the ball. To number 4, burning the arc on the baseline. Won't go. Rebound by number 31. Number 31, nagpapadali, forcing the offense. Penetrates. Now there's a foul committed by number 3. Ang gandang bakbakan, 25-28. Lamang na ang Biga. Ayan na si number 13. Number 13. Hinara si number 0, number 4. Number 4 to number 8. Number 4 again. Short ang tira. Rebound na yan. Ni number 22 to number 0. Almost losing the ball. Recovered. Hesitates at the baseline. Pass number 7. Puts it in. Time remaining 5 minutes. 42 in the second quarter. 27-28 ang ating score. Number 13. Forcing the offense. Won't go. Rebound by number 4 from the team. Big Musbaw. Nakuha yan ni number 13. And score. Ganda ng balita ng dalawang team na ito. 27-30 ang ating score. Yan na si number 0. Peralta. Looking for his teammates. Setting up the play. In seconds to shoot. Number 7. Pulls the trigger from the downtown. Won't go. Recovered. Rebound na yan ng team. Biga, number 4. Number 4 to number 13. Hesitates. Finds number 8 at the baseline. 3-point shot. Won't go. Na-rebound na yan. Yung number 22. Nakuha pa rin ng team Biga. Number 24 to number 4. Fakes. Step back 3. Wala yan. Na-rebound ng team. Yes, foul. Substitution tayo, platoon. Okay, okay. Foul number 13.
Tuloy-tuloy mo lang. Sira yung laro. Oo, tuloy-tuloy mo lang.
Hindi naman pumunta yung isa.
Hindi naman nag-dead ball, no?
Laban mo naman yung mga
Bike mo siya.
Number 0 to number tumira ng 3. Short. Rebound by number 20. From the team zone. Number 13. Penetrates. Won't go on the baseline. Wala pa rin yan. Na-rebound na. Team Musbaw pa rin. O number 14. Side step. Behind the back pass. Number 29. Pulls. Overshoots. Rebound by number 25. JC Maranan. JC Maranan to number 0. And there's a foul committed by number. Foul rip. Number 0. Ilan na si number 0? 2 teams foul pa lang tayo every...
Tatlo na yung foul dito. Ay, hindi. Isa pa lang, no? First quarter pa lang yan. Oh, wala. Dalawa lang.
Number 0 from the team Musbaw lies in a score. Ayun na si... Number 27 finds number. Recovered. Long 2, 1 go. Nagagawa ng bola. And there's a jump ball. Bola ng Team Musbaw. Number 7. From the Team Musbaw. Ang score natin 30-29 in favor of the Team Biga. Ganda ng palitan ng score. Mira ng 3 pero wala yan. Na-rebound ng Team Biga. Team Biga, number 14, lose the ball. Number 7, Ramos hesitates, finds number 1. No, he step, puts it in. What a beautiful isolation. And a score. Number 27 finds number 20. Number 27 to number 22. One go recovered. Puts it in. 32, 31. 1 minute and 30.
Nag-left.
JC Maranan fakes and a score. And ang Team Biga forcing. Naghanap ng basahan, finds number 29, binilikan number 27. To number 14, Librayan at the baseline, forcing the offense. Lose the ball. Out of bounds. Number 2. Number 7. Pulls the trigger from the baseline. Wala yan. Rebound ni number. Walang bola.
Basahin yung mga jersey number nila.
Number 14 to number 27. Back number 14. Pulls the trigger from the downtown. Overshoots. Rebound by number 25. JC Maranan to number 0. Nagpapadalian. And there's a foul committed by number number 27. Blocking foul. Number 1 penetrates, puts it in. Too fast, too quick, too strong. 29 seconds tayo. Ang ganda ng pasahan ng Bigatin. 24 seconds. 19 seconds na lang tayo. Buzzer na lang maririnig ninyo. 10 seconds. Hira ng 3. Wala yan. Wala pa rin yan. And that ends the second quarter of this game. We are now in the third quarter. Our score is 35-34 in favor of Team Musbao. Our next game will be between the adult division, Team MDL versus Team United Ballers. And this time is brought to you by our Honorable Alvin Cotaco, Aris Nieto, and Noriel German. Sila ang ating mga sponsors. And of course, our Honorable Mayor, J.D. Villanueva. Fridays, chicken joint fine. Back to the hard court. We are now in the third quarter. Wala na tayong platoon. Pwede nang bagsak. Team Biga number 20. Number 14 breaks the pass. Almost a steal and a steal out of bounds. Same ball possession. Number 20. Number 14. 27. Number 20 still setting up the play. 5 seconds to shoot. Ang ganda ng pasahan. What a beautiful isolation and an assist. And a conversion shot made by number 4 from the Team Biga. Team's favor tayo. Number 2 pulls the trigger from the downtown. Overshoots. Rebound by number 20. And a steal by number 2. Number 2. From JC Maranan forcing the offense. And there's a foul committed by number 4. Number 2 in battle ball finds JC at the baseline. Hinaharas. Puts it in.
Luwag ng ring.
Maranan forcing the offense. Number 20, drop pass. To number 14, to number 4. Pinasa kay number 20. Lose the ball, recovered, rejected by JC. To number 4, the end to shoot, pulls the trigger, short ang tira, number 2. Finds number 22, losing the ball out of bounds. Number 14, short and 3 points yan. Number 25, JC, lumipad yan. And a score, 39-36. Official score natin, 38-36. Loose ball tayo. Bola ng Team Biga.
35 pala sila galing. Para nakabola na sila.
Number 20, setting up the play, pulls the trio, puts it in. Ganda ng jump shot niya. 39-38, and there's a foul committed by number 27. Number 27, second personal foul. Here is number 0, pulls. Won't go. Rebound by number 20. Number 20 fakes. Ang ganda ng pasahan. And a score. What a beautiful isolation and conversion by the Team Biga. Yan na si number 2 at the baseline. Fakes. And a score. Ganda ng moves. Cooking show by number 2. 5 minutes, 57 remaining. This is third quarter. Number 20, rejected. Nakuha yan ng Team Musbaw. Libre na yan. Nakuha ulit ng Team Biga, number 14. And number 20, binigay kayo malaking mga. Wala yan. Nakuha ni number 25, JC Marana.
Pag dead ball, I do.
Number 2, pulls the trigger from the downtown. Won't go.
29 daw.
Number 27.
Pag dead ball, I do.
Number 20, fakes. Wala bola. Substitution. Timeout. Team Musbaw.
Idol, ilan time out nila? Isa pa lang ito, isa pa lang. Ay, so, pero kasi lang ano, dalawa. Yeah, back to the ball.
All right, back to the ball game. We are now in the third quarter of this game. Time remaining 5 minutes 20. Ang ating score 41-40. Team Musbaw. JC looking for an open man. Hinaharas. And there's a foul committed by number 0. Number 0.
Third?
Second personal foul, number 0. Drop pass kay JC. And there's a foul committed by number 0. Third personal foul. Number 7, burning the arc. Overshoots. Recovered by JC na wala ang bola. Nakuha yan ng Team Biga. Pinasa kay number 27. Setting up. Finds number 20. And there's a traveling violation. 3 minutes 58. And now Team Musbaw. Number 0 finds number 2. Hesitates. Pulls. Won't go. Put back shot to number 25. JC. Number 27. Nakitang malaking mama. Pulls the trigger number 7. Team Usbaw, pinakasaka number 0. Libre na yan. Lipat na yan. Inside.
Sub daw, sub.
Pag dead ball, sige.
Number 27, time remaining 2 minutes 21. Ang ating score, 45-40. Nakuha ng Team Biga, number 20. Number 20, floater shot, puts it in. And as in number 7, penetrates. Rebound ng Team Biga, nagmamadali. Nakuha ulit ng Team Usbaw, number 2. Finds Daisy. And there is an offensive foul. Substitution. Two minutes 52 in the third quarter. Number 20. Para si numbers. And there's a foul committed by number. Who's foul rep number 20? Number 2. Number 2. And a score by number 14.
Number 20 to. Number 20.
45-44. Number 20 pulls the trigger in the paint. Puts it in. 47-44. 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter. And a steal by the team Usbaw. Number 0 to number 2. Pinasa ka number 2. Easy shot.
Time out daw.
Number 22. By the team Biga. Cross pass. What a beautiful communication. And a score by number 4. Number 0 to number 2. Pulls the trigger from the downtown. Won't go. Rebound. Out of bounds. Time out. Time out muna tayo.
Dito.
Team Biga. Ang susunod na maglalaro ay Team MPL versus Team United Bowlers from the adult division. We're still in the third quarter of this game. Time remaining 128. Our score 49-46.
Ano team?
Lamang pa rin ang Team Biga. Team was bound by the ball. Ramos number 7. Back to number 2. Burning the arc on the baseline. Won't go. Rebound by the Team Biga. Overhead pass number. Laking mama na walang bola. Out of bounds. Bola ng Team was bound. And as in number 4. Number 25. Forcing the offense. Speeds. Wala yan. Rebound ng Team Biga. Pinasa sa kampi. Nakuha pa rin ng Team Biga. Pulls the trigger. In and out. Putback shot by number 24. 49-48 ang ating score. And there's a foul by number 22. Number 0 will be awarded for 3 free throws in the line. Number 0, the first one, won't go. 49-48. Dikit ang laban. Second one is good. And the third one is good. Making the score 51-48. Ayun ang Team Biga, number 13. In the paint, penetrates. And there's a foul. Committed by number 4. Number 13 will be the line for his bonus. And the first one is good. Second one go. And there's a foul. Isa pa. There's a stepping in violation. Another bonus is in. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Timos Bow. Number 0, Peralta, poking up, almost losing the ball, and late violations. Same ball possession. Peralta to number 7, to Ramos. Back to Peralta to number 2, hesitates at the baseline. And there's a foul committed by number 24. Substitution. Penalty situation, ref. Substitution, pasok. Ang ganda ng bakbakan. Ayan na, si number 2. Wala. We only have 19 seconds in this third quarter. Number 2 is good. Second free throw. Buzzer na lang maririnig ninyo. We are now in the third quarter. Ang ganda ng penetration. Deadlock tayo. Buzzer na lang maririnig. And a score! Nakahabol pa ng 2 puntos ang Timos Bow. Time remains. We are now in the fourth quarter. Ating score 52-54 in favor of Timos Bow. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Our next game for tonight will be between NPL versus United Bowlers from the other division.
Pasensya, sino? Dito. Wala kasi sa araw ko. Ito ba nakita niyo ako rin sa squad?
May araw.
Hindi ko kita. Tinalo. Kailan lang nakalaman. Sorry. Bungon lang. Dalawang beses. Bungon lang.
Siya?
Isip ba? Ay, wala naman na kayo. Tinalo mo ba?
Wala na ng team. Wala na ng Timos Bow yan. Number 25, JC, doing for an open man. Forcing the offense. Rebound by number 20. Number 27, pass to. Walang bola. And there's a foul committed by number out of bounds. Wala tayong foul. Team Biga looking for an open man. Finds number 20. To number. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Libre-libre. Si number 8. Number 8. Number 0. Number 7. To number 25. To number 1. To number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 21. What a beautiful isolation. And a score by number 31. Number 27. Dribbling the ball. Against number 2. 6 seconds to shoot. Recovered by number 4 in the paint. Pumping up. One go, recovered. Baseline shot. Puts it in. Number 27. Deadlock na naman tayo. 56 all. Yan na si number 7. Setting up the play. Finds number 31 at the baseline. One go. Rebound by the Team Biga. Yan na si number 20. Penetrates, flies, puts it in. 2 Too fast, too quick, too strong. Number 20. Number 7. Finds number 2. Hesitates. Libre na. Nawala pa. Ayan na si number 0. To number 27. Wala yan. Rebound ni number 1. Number 7. In the paint. Penetrates. Drop pass. Puts it in. What a beautiful showdown basketball by these two incredible teams. Our score, 58 all. Deadlock na naman tayo. 6 minutes, 43 in this last quarter. Baseline shot. Puts it in. Who's that? Number 27. And number 20 pala. Number 20 pala yung nakapasok baseline shot. Number 7. To number 1. On the baseline, floater shot, 1 go, rebound by number 20. To number 27, ayan na naman, napakabilis. Puts it in! Timeout, Timos Bao. We are now in the last quarter of this game, 6 minutes remaining. Our score is 58-62.
Bayad na yan.
All right, back to the hard court. And si number 0 in the paint, hesitates, finds number 2, burning guard, won't go, rebound by number 31, hesitates, and there's a foul committed by number 20. Number 2 inbound to the ball, finds number 25, JC at the baseline, fakes. Recovered by number 31, then a score. Yan ang tipigawan na pagpalis. And there's a traveling violation. By number 4. Number 7. To number 0, number 2. Behind the back pass to number 25, JC, nawala ang bola, nakuha ni number 4, flies and a score. 60-64. And as in number 0 in the paint, pulls in and out, rebound by the Kindigan, recovered by JC. Down one, basketball by JC Maranan, who's foul rep, number 29. JC will be awarded for a bonus. Won't go. Time remaining, 5 minutes in this last quarter. Yan now. To number 27, to number 20 in the paint. Falls, puts it in. 66-62. Baba sa apat ng kalamangan. Ang Timos Bao, number 7. Moving from the man, drop pass to number 21. Rejected by number 20. Number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. And a steal by the Team Biga. Number 0. Number 27. Number 20. And the shoe. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Number 20 spins in the paint. One go. Rebound pa rin yan ng number 29. Drop pass sa kasama. Short, recovered, and a score by number 29. 60-62. Ayun ang Team Musbaw, number 0, spins, nawala na naman ang bola. Ako na number 27 to number 29. And there's a foul committed by number 7. Wala tayong foul. Natapik lang yung bola. 3 minutes 44, 62, 68. Grab pa sa kasama, wala ang bola. There's a foul committed by number 7. Biga, number 20 to number 29, and there's a traveling violation. Number 0. Number 2 pulls the trigger. Wala yan. The rebound ni number 0. Jersey number 0. Number 29. Back number 0. Number 20. Number 20 penetrates. Won't go. Rebound by JC. Number 25. Pass to number 2. Step back. Pulls. Whee! 65-68. Baba sa tatlo. Malamang.
Time out daw sila pagkalit.
Time out. Who's foul rep? Number 0. Time out muna tayo. We only have 2 minutes 59 in this fourth quarter. Ang ating score is 65-68. Maghanda-handa na ng susunod na maglalaro, Team MPL versus Team United Bowlers from the Adult Division.
Sino susunod na?
Or nagtindigan number 4. Drop pass to number. Dito nagkawin number 20. Hooking up number 27. 6 seconds to shoot. And there's a foul committed by number 0. Number 0, third personal foul. Tindigan number 4 inbound to the ball to number 27. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 27. The baseline, number 20, fake, number 29. Hooking up, shot clock, 2 seconds na lang. Wala yan, na-rebound na. And there's a foul. Who's foul up? Number 29. Number 29, second personal foul. 2 minutes, 29 seconds. 65-68. Ang ating score, yan na si number 7. Drop pass si number 31. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ng Team Bigayan. Number 20 to number 4. Pinagay number 20. Easy jumper. And a score. 70-65. Baba sa libang kalamang ng Team Bigayan. Number 2. Burning the arc. Won't go. Now it's 2 minutes. Nawala ang bola. Nice team ng team. Who's foul? Number 2, pulls the trigger. Won't go. Recovered by JC. JC forcing the open. Spins. Won't go. There's a foul. All number 29. Number 29. Third personal foul. Time out. Time out. Team was foul. 1 minute. 41 seconds. Ang ating score is 65-70 in favor of Team Bigaan. Alright, back to the hard court. JC in the line. For his bonus, nawala ang bola. Nakuha yan ng number 27. Napakabilis. Flies at a score. 72-66. Bilis na mga pangyayari. Number 25. JC forcing the offense. Finds number 0. Pulls the trigger. Short. Recovered by number 2. Pulls the 3 and there's a foul. Committed by number 0. Number 0 is fourth personal foul. Warning. Substitution. Wala. And number 2 in the line for his bonus. And the first one is good. 72-67. Penalty na ang team Biga. And the second one is good.
68.
72-68 tayo. Yan na, 72-69.
Hindi, 69
72-69
lang.
official score na rin yan. Number 27 setting up. 1 minute 14. Number 27 to number 29. Number 20. Back to number 27. Number 27. Hesitates. Floater shot. One go. Out of bounds. 56 seconds tayo. 72-69. Number 0. Number 0. That is a foul. Penalty yan. Number 0. And the first one is good. Number score 70-72. 48 seconds remaining.
Huli mo na yung bola.
Dalawa.
And the second one is good. Ang ating score 71-72. Isa lang ang kalamangan ng Team Bigaa. Ayan na ang Team Bigaa. Number 20. 39 seconds. Number 29 forcing the offense. Naghanap ng mapasahan na walang bola. 9 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 27 penetrates. One goal rebound by number 31. Number 31, number 0. And there's a foul. Number 4, who's foul? Number 27, pushing foul. May dalawang timeout pa ang Biga. Isa sa inyo. Substitution. Pasok na, substitution. We only have 20 seconds left. Our score 71-72 in favor of Team Biga. Number 0 will be the line for his bonus. And the first one is good. Deadlock tayo, 72.
Timeout pa kami. Pumasok.
Pag pumasok, timeout niya. Number 0. Number 0. Second one is good. Wala na sila timeout. Kabila. At tig-isang timeout pa sila. Both teams may tig-isang timeout kayo. Meron ba kayo isang timeout? Team Bigaa.
Mag-go mo na. Nasa mo.
Tatlo.
Dalawa pa ibibigay nila. Tatlo dito, penalty na.
Wala bang penalty sa Team Usbaw? Two teams foul pa. We only have 20 seconds. 73, 72. Lamang ang Team Usbaw. Ano kayang gagawin ng Team Bigaa? Number 0, looking for an open man. Finds number 27. Pushing foul, number 1. Wala pa tayong penalty. Isa pa. Time remaining. 19 seconds. Number 0 finds number 20. Number 0, number 20, spin move, puts it away! What a beautiful showdown basketball by Team Bigaa. Our score 74-73. Biglang lamang ng isa ang Team Bigaa. Meron pang isang timeout ang Team Bigaa. Dito wala nang timeout. Team 14 to shoot. Ano kayo? Basket timeout ba kayo? Basket timeout? Okay, basket timeout tayo ha. Rep, basket timeout tayo. Number 7, inbound the ball. Ano kaya ang gagawin ng Team Usbaw? With only 14 seconds left. Number 7, impounded about that. Daisy takes. Wala yan. Naribang ng Team Bigaa. Team Bigaa. Lumipag na. Si number 27. What a beautiful showdown basketball by Team Bigaa. We only have 4 seconds left. 4 seconds na lang natitira. Number 4 to number 0. Pinasa ka na number 27.